how to promote your Amazon affiliate links using Pinterest.com. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're going to make our tutorial on the niche of gardening and landscaping. So let's dive into it, guys. So the main idea or the method that we are using is that we look for viral posts on Pinterest, or if we can't find them on Pinterest, we look for them on TikTok. Then we download the picture or the video and we re-upload it on our account on Pinterest, and then we pick a product from Amazon and we take the link, our affiliate link, and we add it to that post so that everyone sees the post, clicks on the link, he will proceed to our product link on Amazon. So let's dive into it, guys. So let's look for some posts, some good posts. As I was saying, if you can't find any on Pinterest, you check TikTok, or if you want to be creative, you make your own posts, your own videos, or your own posts using Canva. So let's look for anything. So let's just pick this post, for example, of this one. Let's pick this one. Let's download the image, and then let's click on create idea, create. Where is the post? Ideas. This is our post. Create idea pin. So we go to this new tab where we can create our idea. We create new. We drag our post and drop it here, and we take the title also. We copy the title, then we add the title, and we take the description also, copy, and we leave our description here. Then we go to Amazon and we search for a product related to our niche. So let's see if we can find a bestseller, featured bestseller. So those are bestsellers. I saw a product. I need to go back. So this is a product we're going to promote. Let's click on this product. So it's a good product. We take the link from here. We just wait for it to complete its downloading. So you can always look for other products, or you can create your own posts or products. So I'm just showing you the idea, guys. I hope you understand the idea. And if you want to scale in this method, you need at least to upload from 10 videos to 20 videos a day, and you need to focus on one niche. So don't jump from niche to niche, just focus on one niche. and keep uploading 10 to 20 posts a day. And every post, work them like this and take your affiliate links from here, copy them and drop them on your posts right here, add link, and make sure guys to choose too many tags, because the tags help the post to show to a lot of people and help it to go viral. I'm just going to choose so many tags related to my niche. You can choose as much as you want, there is no limit. Garden art, garden party, gardening, indoor vegetable gardening. So you make sure to choose a lot of tags, and when you're done you check the post, check your post, you check the title, description, and make sure everything is good, your link, your tags, and then you hit publish and you wait for your post to be published. So you just wait for your post to be published, and after it's published you check again the title and description and your link if it's working. So just check it again. So this is our post, this is our title, description, and the comments. So let's scroll down, let's see our link. So this is our link, here it is. You can just click on it and see if it takes us to the same website like this. So yeah, the link is working. As you can see, it took us to the same place. So as I was saying guys, you just need to be consistent, upload 10 videos to 20 videos each day and focus on one niche. And if you want to focus on on various niches, you just create every niche, create an account for every niche to avoid getting mistaken or to avoid chaos on your accounts. So every account, focus on every account on one niche and keep uploading posts. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends.